Story. The Supreme Court has now resumed its hearing of batch of petitions challenging the Election Commission of India's decision to conduct a special intensive revision of the electoral rolls in poll-bound Bihar. Senior Advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi has now told the bench that nobody is challenging the Election Commission's power to delete names from the electoral roll. Rather, the Election Commission is being asked to follow its own procedure. He then went on to quote the Election Commission's SOP document, which reads, "No suo motu deletion shall be done in an election year." Sambhav is on the telecast with me. Sambhav, what is the fresh argument that has been put forth by the petitioners?
Well, the hearing resumes post-lunch, and the senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who is appearing for one of the petitioners here, has questioned this the timing of this particular exercise, and also said that why this is happening in July, and why question the particular exercise's timing, especially in the backdrop of the recent Bihar elections, and why it is happening in Bihar at this point of time is what is said by senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi in the Supreme Court. Then Gopal Shankar Narayan is also a senior advocate for the petitioner. He is arguing before the Supreme Court about different aspects which Election Commission is to consider, and talking about the nitty-gritties of different laws, different rules which Election Commission needs to adhere to, cater to while dealing with this particular exercise called SIR, and also saying that this special intensive revision is omitting certain names of certain people. Set of people, especially the poor and marginalized, they are the one who are being impacted by it. And Election Commission of India's Counsel, Senior Advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, is present in court number 2. Although he has not argued yet, he will argue. Probably it's likely that he will argue today, because earlier the Supreme Court put 12th and 13th of August as the date of hearing for different petitions regarding SIR. Now it is the date to hearing. It's already 3:15, and hearing is going on in the Supreme Court.
Okay, so when Abhishek Manu Singhvi questions Election Commission and says that the Election Commission itself should follow its SOPs, which SOPs is he referring to here?
Well, absolutely, he is referring to the SOPs, the SOPs which Election Commission used to follow earlier. He was talking about earlier elections in Bihar. He referred to one election in Bihar in 2004 when this Election Commission followed certain different kind of SOPs, and also questioned this particular exercise and the timing of this exercise, stating those SOPs as to why Election Commission is coming up with this special intensive revision just ahead of the crucial Bihar elections. Why exactly is Election Commission doing it in the month of July when the elections are pending in Bihar? If they want to do, they'll have to cater to the earlier SOPs which the Election Commission of India itself. So, Election Commission is questioning. Singhvi is questioning Election Commission's earlier SOPs itself. Like, why are you not adhering to the manuals, different laws, rules of the election set by the Election Commission itself to to conduct the elections? They see, because the Election Commission is an autonomous body and it derives its powers from the Constitution itself, Article 324 of Indian Constitution, 326. This is exactly what is the argument by the Election Commission in its affidavit filed, detailed affidavit filed in the Supreme Court. And the bone of contention here is Aadhaar card. And on one hand, Election Commission is saying that this cannot be, Aadhaar card cannot be the conclusive proof of the citizen of this particular exercise, SIR. It could be, this could be considered. And Supreme Court earlier said that consider Aadhaar card, but Election Commission is saying also in its affidavit said that yes, Aadhaar card cannot be a conclusive proof. So bone of contention is here, and there are 11 documents the Election Commission has come up with, which includes.
All right, thanks, Sambhav. Thanks.